All right, so it's time for him to go. I was already at 3 weeks when they shut all the beauty salons down, so this is a long time coming. But I already done this hand. This hand was easy. I'm right-handed, so I filed it a little bit, then I soaked it over here in this acetone. So that's what I'm getting ready to do over here too. So if you got a Dremel, put that mug on low, especially with your non-dominant hand. When I did it on my right hand, I actually had it on high, but this is my non-dominant hand, so let me put this mug on low. And I'm really just scraping. All this ain't nothing but nail polish. Well, you know I do that gel nail polish, so pretty much just taking all that off first, and then I'm gonna dip it and soak it, so it won't take too long. I told you it's hot. All right, I'm doing phase 2 of my nails take off. So let me show you how they do it at my salon. So the red bowl has acetone. Then the burgundy bowl has hot water. Then you put a towel over it so you can hold in the heat. And then you just let it sit. And when it starts, let it sit for a little while. Then you file it off a little bit, Let's see. I'm gonna try to show y'all my other hand that I finished. So this is the hand that I finished. I took it off. Now, I don't wear, I don't have, my nails don't have tips on them. They're just overlays. So, but I was telling my husband, I said, why they don't never look this cute when they take it off? That's because they rush. When they get to the end, they rush, and then they be all raggedy looking. So, but anywho, this is what it's going to look like when I'm finished. Except for this one pointer finger. It was broke anyway. It was broke. It's been broke. And it had started lifting. And then when I went to get it fixed, they just glued it down. And so it's just been lifting and tearing. So when I did take it off, it still had the snag in it. So I had to lose that one. So I have one short one. But anywho,